Fix can't pin folders to quick access menu in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Install all Windows updates. General bugs might cause people not to be able to pin folders to the quick access menu. To address this, make sure you install the latest Windows updates as follows. Fix 2. Run SFC and DISM. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. Fix 3. Delete corrupted APPDATA files. Most of the people managed to be able to pin folders to the quick access menu once again after they performed the following steps to clean APPDATA files. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Fix 4. Reset Windows. You can opt to reset Windows if none of the above options did not help. It is not a difficult task. You can also choose to keep all your files and apps during this process. Select Keep My Files and Cloud Download. Next, pick whether you want to reinstall the apps. Click Reset. Your system will restart, and the process of Windows reset will begin.